The food and beverage department, F&B, in the hotel industry is responsible for delivering exceptional dining and beverage experiences, managing all culinary and service operations. Here is a detailed list of positions and description within the F&B department. Director of Food and Beverage. The Director of Food and Beverage oversees all aspects of the food and beverage department, ensuring profitability, quality, and guest satisfaction. Among the responsibilities, develops and implements food and beverage strategies and budgets, supervises all F&B outlets, restaurant, bar, room service, banquets, ensures compliance with health, safety, and hygiene standards, manages staff hiring, training, and performance evaluations, monitors guest feedback and ensures service excellence, coordinates with chefs, restaurant managers, and other department heads. Assistant Food and Beverage Manager supports the Director of Food and Beverage in managing daily operation and ensuring quality services. In greater details, oversees operation in specific food and beverage outlets, assists with staff training, scheduling, and supervision, handles guest complaints and ensures service recovery, ensures compliance with operational standards and procedures, monitors inventory, and coordinates with procurement.